Welcome to the Anna Darpan Engineering Demo. The emergent work process in the engineering module is used to handle urgent and unforeseen maintenance activities that require immediate execution and fast-track approvals. This video demonstrates the complete emergent workflow from request creation to bill approval. The manager depot logs in and navigates to engineering maintenance, work request. Enter the work name, activity, estimated cost, priority, date of submission, add work item details, and click Submit. The AGM engineering, or manager engineering, or junior engineer at the DO office logs in and navigates to approve work request under engineering maintenance. Search for the request from the view, select the request, and click the approve icon. The user navigates to the budget menu option located under engineering maintenance. Now the user selects the work request name, and the remaining fields, like district, depot, estimated cost, and region, are auto-populated. Select the authority for the work request, enter the estimated cost and remarks if any, and click Submit. Now DGM Engineering, or AGM Engineering, or GM Regional logs in for approval. Navigate to the budget list, click the Approve icon, and confirm approval. Log in as AGM Engineering, or Manager Engineering, or JE at DO level. Navigate to Work Process menu. Select the work request name, and notice the district, region, and depot. Estimated cost values are auto-populated upon selection. Select Work Process as Emergent, and click on the Submit button. Now the user navigates to create emergent work request. Select the depot, emergent type, work request name, work type, work date, completion date, request number, estimated cost budget head and other required details, and click on the Submit button. Log in as Divisional Manager at DO, and navigate to Emergent Work Request Approval. Select Request Number, Status as Approve. Click on Submit. Log in as AGM Engineering at the Regional Office to approve the work request. Navigate to Emergent Work Request Approval. Select Request Number and Status as Approved and click on Submit. User at RO navigates to assign emergent work request to contractor. Select district, depot, work order number, work order date, contractor name, address, registration number, bank account number, bank name, and other required details and click on Submit. Now the user at RO navigates to emergent work request completion details. Select district, depot, work order number, completion amount, approving authority. Select date and date of issue. Click on Submit. Log in as JE or Manager Engineering at DO, navigate to bill request. Select region, division, depot, work order number, bill amount, bill date, and click on submit. Log in as AGM Engineering at RO, navigate to bill approval. Select the request number and select status as approved and click on the submit button. This completes the emergent work process in the engineering module, ensuring urgent works are executed quickly with controlled approvals, transparent budgeting, and proper financial closure. Thank you.